ACE List Building Method, Session Number 1, Overview. Welcome to the ACE List Building Private Study course. I want to first congratulate you for making a smart decision to invest in this course so you can further enhance and grow your online business, and especially excel in the list building area. In short, he who has the list makes the money. And now, with ACE List Building, you can learn how to double or even triple your current mailing list count or build it from scratch. Then after that, you can learn to get twice as many repeat customers. This isn't a course compiled overnight and definitely not created based on theories. It's called permission marketing, meaning that these people have agreed to join the mailing list. Now you're going to learn how to build your own list from scratch. Before you continue, you need to do one thing. First, open the PDF transcript file and print out this entire course. After that, to maximize your learning, the best way is to listen to the MP3 audio for each session while reading the master transcript simultaneously. This maximizes the way you absorb the information better. It's even better if you start taking your own notes and jot down your own ideas along the way. How ACE List Building is different. Setup work is one time. Only constant source needed is traffic. Focuses on brand building and repeat sales on automation. Now you're going to learn how ACE List Building method is different from many of the other list building courses you may have seen or invested in before, and why this is going to be the all-you-need solution when it comes to creating a proven automated list building system. The type where you can funnel your subscribers into a channel of automated follow-up emails and sell any product you want for a long time to come. If you have been in business for at least 1 month, you will know that the actual money is not necessarily in the list itself. It's actually in the relationship you build with the subscribers to your mailing list. Even so, there's still more to building a mailing list than just building a relationship or chasing the numbers. The idea is to set up a mailing list funnel with sequential follow-up emails to one or a few highly targeted, proven to convert products or affiliate programs, and then the only constant source needed is just traffic. This is what makes ACE List Building method special from many other list building courses, because setup work is only one-off and the only constant source you need is just traffic. That's all you need to do, and even that can be automated if you want to. The beauty of this system is that you can build your own brand and generate repeat sales on pure automation. In other words, when you refer a visitor to your website and he joins your mailing list, you can automatically build a brand for yourself and get repeat sales from the same customers over and over again without lifting a finger. The ACE List Building method in a nutshell is shown in the diagram you're seeing now. Again, I hope you've printed out the transcript by now and you should be seeing this diagram. Don't be intimidated if it looks complicated and you don't understand. We will be covering each of these components one by one in each of the coming sessions. All you have to remember for now is that this system consists of 5 core components: the video squeeze page, a step 1 page called Tell a Friend, a step 2 one-time offer page, a step 3 confirmation or downsell page, and the 14 follow-up emails. All of these components will form the ACE List Building method, and the beauty of it is that you can actually complete this practically overnight or at the most in a few days if you're doing this for the first time. You might make some mistakes and bump into some errors, but that's all part of learning. In due time, you will be an expert, and this process can take as little as a day or 2 max. You want to use the video squeeze page to get all of your visitors coming to this single web page. The web page has but only one mission: to convert your visitors into subscribers. That's it. No links to other websites except the essential pages like earnings disclaimer, privacy policy, and maybe your contact or support help desk link. Other than that, no links to other websites on the squeeze page, period. Instead of a typical squeeze page where you just have a bunch of text and maybe some images, we're going to put in fewer text, and a video is highly encouraged. This is the in thing now. Today, videos are more popularly used compared to some few years ago, and most of the high-converting squeeze pages are those with videos embedded in it. In general, people prefer to watch than read, and this is why sites like YouTube and Google Videos are getting more visitors. Just like how TV killed the radio star, and people actually thought magazines would phase out in the 60s. Well, people still read, and anyways, back to the point. The sole objective of the squeeze page is to just collect names and email addresses, no other reasons. Once you've collected the name and email leads from the visitor, he will enter a compressed cycle, and he will be going through steps 1, 2, and 3 right away. Right after he signs up to your mailing list, he's going to see the Step 1 page right away, where he will be given a chance to tell 3 of his friends about your website, and there will be an incentive in it for him to do so. He may choose to tell 3 friends at this point, or pass it up. Regardless of his choice, he hits either buttons and goes to the Step 2 page, which is a one-time offer page. This is your first chance to make your buck from the new visitor. The one-time offer must strictly appeal as special, offered only once through that page, and cannot be available anywhere else. He may choose to buy the one-time offer, or OTO, at this point, or passes it up. If he buys, good, you make a sale. If he doesn't, don't worry. He clicks away to Step 3 page. He will arrive at this page regardless of his choice with the one-time offer. He will still be prompted to go on to Step 3, where you let him know about his current subscription status. If you're using an autoresponder with single opt-in status, you will let him know that he has successfully subscribed to your mailing list and will receive emails from you. If you're using an autoresponder with double opt-in status, which most autoresponder users are using, you will tell him that his subscription is still waiting to be verified, and he should check his inbox for a verification email to verify his subscription. Optionally, you can put in a downsell in this page, also known as the one-time offer light, so that gives you an extra profit center. So as soon as the visitor confirms his subscription to your mailing list and officially becomes your subscriber, he will receive 14 sequential follow-up emails from you on a set interval basis. This is the true key to automation, and you don't have to necessarily limit yourself to 14 follow-up emails. However, for starters, this is a good number, and don't store any less than this amount. This is the secret to achieving higher sales closing for products you sell permanently, prolong the lifespan of your flagship products, and make money from a few key, profitable affiliate programs. The ACE List Building Method. Video Squeeze Page. Step 1. Tell a friend. Step 2. One-time offer. Step 3. Confirmation or downsell. 14 automated follow-up emails. So all in all, there are 4 cornerstones. The first one being tell a friend, which can help you multiply your mailing list count, and the other 3 are what I call profit centers, where you can start to monetize from your subscribers. I'll be covering each of these components in detail in the next session, starting with the Video Squeeze page.